Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So yeah, it's been a hot minute, right? I have been MIA for a while because first I had a cold, and then I was away on holiday, and then I was working all these jobs. So yeah, it's been a hot minute, but I'm back ready with a bang with a new foundation review, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous foundation. So if you're wondering what the hell these clips are doing in my hair, they're actually from the new Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, like a Novena Volume 3. They're part of the PR package, and I was just so excited that I put them in my hair. What's exciting about this launch is not only have Anastasia Beverly Hills never really done a foundation. They have a stick foundation, which I'm sure maybe some of you know about, but this is like their first official liquid foundation, which is so exciting. And not only have they launched some liquid foundations, but they've also launched these powder translucent setting powders. Are so huge, like, look, they're as big as my head. So this is like my Beauty Bakery translucent setting powder. This is the new Anastasia one. So it is just humongous. I'm going to be talking about the translucent setting powders and the liquid foundations all here today. So keep watching. And if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button because, you know, why not? Okay, so first of all, let's start by talking about the Liquid Luminous foundation. So this is the pack that it came in, and I'm just going to open it up to show you the liquids in there. So they sent 5 options for my face shade, which is great. So I'm definitely going to find one that suits me here. But it actually comes in 50 shades. So I'm just loving the fact that now that brands are releasing foundations, they're stepping up to the bar that's already out there, which is so good. It just takes one brand to kind of set that trend, and then everyone else follows, which is great. First, these are £43, so it is on the more expensive side, I would say, but then Anastasia Beverly Hills is a luxury brand. I've always been on that more kind of expensive side of things, I would say. So this is the bottle. It's got foundation written on the back. I kind of like this, you know. At first when I saw this, I was like, what the hell is that? But it gives it like a kind of quirky vibe, which I love, because Anastasia Beverly Hills is always quite plain and, you know, bougie kind of thing. And I just love that this kind of gives it that bit of quirkiness, I would say. So this is the pump. I know that it's meant to be natural radiance. I know that it's long lasting, and I know that it's £43. Other than that, I obviously haven't tried it. So I'm going to get involved and try it on. But before I do, I really want to quickly show you the powders. So these powders are £39. And they come in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They come in 5 shades. And they go to like deep tones. Like this is golden orange. So I'm probably going to be using that as like to set my foundation on my face. So let's go ahead and try out some of these shades to see what I'm going to be. So I'm happy to see that there are cool colors and then there are warm ones. That makes me really, really happy. So I'm going to try the 450 first. So this is a cool one, 450C. I'm going to go in next with 440C. I've got 470C. I'm going to go with the 440C. When I'm trying a foundation, unless it specifically comes with a primer, I just like to put some moisturizer on first, because I want to get the right, I want to test it out for what it is. Do you know what I mean? And I don't want to put like, I don't want to put a primer on that's going to make it thicker or nicer, or just manipulate the formula in a way that it doesn't need to be manipulated. So let's test this bad boy out, shall we? First of all, I feel like that is a really good match for me. So I know that my face is a little lighter on this side, which is obviously my natural side, but in terms of like even matching my neck, this side matches my face better than my own face matches my neck. Do you know what I mean? It's a beautiful color. You know, sometimes when you go into cool shades, they can be really yellow to the point where they're like not flattering at all. So this is amazing. This is like beautiful. I'm like in love with this. I'm impressed. Do you know what I like? I like that it's not sitting in my skin. I really like the formula. I don't know what is specifically in the formula, but it just looks like my skin when I'm on holiday. Do you know what I mean? Like flawless with a bit of glowiness to it. Really nice. So I'm just going to do the other side. Okay, so like I've said on many occasions, I do love when a foundation comes with things that complement the foundation. For example, a lot of brands have concealers that go with stuff. Anastasia Beverly Hills don't actually have concealers, I don't think. I do have the contour and highlight palette. So I'm just going to use that for concealer. Okay, so now it's time to test out the powder bad boys. And under my eyes, I'm going to be using Banana. So I don't know if I said earlier, but these powders are £39, which I think is really good considering how fat they are. Like, look, it's literally nearly the size of my head. I'm using the shade Golden Orange. I'm in love with kind of like orangey bronzers generally, just because I feel like they flatter really well. They make it look like you have a bronzer on, but and a blusher. They just blend a lot better as well. I mean, wow. I'm just gonna add some blusher and some highlighter to my face, and then I'm gonna come back and talk about the foundation. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna start off and just say how pleasantly surprised I am just by this whole foundation. Let's talk about the liquids first. I feel like brands like Anastasia always almost want to like wow. So a lot of brands go down the full coverage route, and it's like now there are super coverage foundations, you know, where you can get absolute flawless skin, and it's just amazing. And I honestly did think that Anastasia, when coming out with a foundation, would have definitely gone down that route, just because, you know, she's got highlight and contour palettes, and she's known for like the bold brows and stuff like that. So I thought, of course, when it comes to foundation, she's going to go for something really bold and really thick again. But actually, she's done the opposite. She's created a really high quality, lightweight foundation, this is something that I would expect from like a Givenchy or like Chanel, or, you know, someone that's like up there, high fashion. They're not into like full coverage foundations and like making your skin look cakey. And she's really delivered. Like, this for me elevates the brand massively. I think out of the recent foundations I've tried, it is my favorite one. Every single foundation I've tried up till now in Foundation Fridays, I've loved, but I've always said, you know, if I mix this with this, or if I tried this, and, you know, there's always been some form of criticism. With this, I don't have any criticism, honestly. I think it's a great foundation. I love the coverage. I love the colors. It comes in 50 shades. Like, this is my perfect match, and I love it. So if I run out, would I buy it again? The answer is yes. So I don't mind if a foundation is expensive, as long as it has a reason to be that expensive. I just love the way it looks on my skin. It doesn't specifically sit in lines. It doesn't accentuate my pores. And it's just really lightweight. I put one layer on. I didn't need to put any more. I was perfectly happy with that. Honestly, I mean, she absolutely smashed it. And you know what? I don't even need to say much, because you can see it yourself. You can see how flawless my skin looked. But yeah, it's really nice. Really, really nice. I would say it's great for an occasion foundation. And I also think it's great for a day-to-day foundation, because it's so lightweight and it makes your skin look really fresh. So all in all, it's a massive thumbs up for me. Thank you so much, Anastasia Beverly Hills. You absolutely smashed it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you check out some of my other Foundation Friday videos, which I'm going to link in the description box below. Bye.